A while ago I brought a Lion brand electric griddle. Although it was powered on, it had no response. After opening the casing, we found this temperature fuse resistor. Measuring the temperature fuse resistor practically, it was already open circuit and broken. The reason for the burnout is generally either the power was on for too long or it's been used for many years. It is a kind of consumable part. Let's look at this blue wire marked 220, which goes through a switch to the chassis. Another circuit goes to the upper heating plate directly, controlled by this red wire. Looking at the chassis, this red wire passes through the thermostat. The thermostat is functioning and then goes to the heating plate. The upper plate goes through the switch to power on. Generally, the thermostat in electric griddles is 180 degrees. The temperature fuse resistor parameters are about 10A 216 degrees. When replacing this part, we selected a 16A 240 degrees fuse resistor. This way, 16A will tolerate contact issues better and is less likely to burn out due to overcurrent. The temperature must be slightly higher than the original part to be sturdier and more durable. The front panel only has a few indicator lights. The most important thing when replacing the temperature fuse resistor is to use special pliers and clips for wiring. The principle is there must be no poor contact and you must not twist wires by hand or wrap them with tape. That is inadvisable and unsafe. After installing the new fuse on the P line and testing the machine, it can heat normally and powers on. When you encounter this kind of electric heating appliance at home with no power response, it is usually caused by damage to the temperature fuse resistor. Replacing the new part is enough.